and happy Saturday. My brother is actually up from Sydney. I'll show you Jason, hang on. That's my brother Jason. I asked him if he would be able to take me through a workout this morning. Jason's used to pretty intense training, so I thought that would be a good idea to take me through one. We're gonna run from my place here in Newstead to New Fun Park, which is about 2.5 kilometers, and then Jason's gonna take me through a workout. So we will show you that when we get there.
Me and you, mimosa, drink it up, sip and pull you closer, like these waves in my cup, travel far from over, cause I can't get enough, come on in the water's fine, oh yeah.
Okay, so we just arrived at New Fun Park. You started 100 reps of one exercise, then moved down to 90, 80, and so forth.
So you can sway with the palms and the pines while you sing to the sky, get a breath of the fresh air, just you and I in the back of your mind, or you can dance in the sand with the drink in your hand, but baby I'm all set and we lie, cause loving you is paradise. Spill the sun on my skin, taking your vibration, wanna feel you again, faded conversation, only place I exist, come on in the water's fine, yeah. If you take the first step on, know you'll find that the tide is getting high, but I'm holding you so tight. So you can sway with the palms and the pines while you sing to the sky, get a breath of the fresh air, just you and I in the back of your mind, or you can dance in the sand with the drink in your hand, but baby I'm all set and we lie, cause loving you is paradise.
So that is the workout complete. How'd you go, Jace? Yeah, Jace killed it. Jace obviously had weights the whole time, so he challenged himself a little bit more. I was fine with my body weight. Now I'm going to show you the stats of that workout. I set it as high intensity interval training. Jason didn't really give us a break either, apart from when we were moving the camera over to do the stair sprints. So that was a total of 18 minutes, which is pretty good, to be honest. Our average heart rate was about 177 beats per minute across that whole time, and our max was 191. So we got right up there, like that was pretty crazy. And well, according to my watch, we burned a total of 225 calories in that 18 minutes. So you see that we worked super hard, kept our heart rates high the entire time, and it was a really good result. I think we are going to get some brekkie now. Hi guys, so it is Sunday afternoon now, and it's that time of the week again where I'm getting ready for the week ahead. I've already meal prepped my lunches and dinners for the week, so I'm just going to show you quickly what they turned out like. For my lunches this week, I'm going to be having a chicken rainbow salad. I'm calling it rainbow because there's heaps of different colours in the vegetables that I've chosen. I like to incorporate different colors of fruit and vegetables into my diet because different colors give you different nutrients. So if I change up the kind of vegetables that I'm incorporating into my meals, I'm ensuring that I'm getting a real varying range of micronutrients into my diet. For my dinners, I've made turkey mince sanchoy bao, or at least my take on it anyway. I will show you both of these recipes in future videos. I just don't want to be giving all of my secrets away so early, or I'll have nothing left to show you guys. So now that I've finished doing, not the boring part, I do love cooking, I love meal prep. It's now time to get on to my favorite part, the healthy treats. So I have 2 protein balls left. If you watched my vlog 2 weeks ago, I made those chocolate coconut protein balls and they are so good. I demolished that whole thing in 2 weeks like I said I would. So I thought I would change up what treat I'm having for the next few weeks, and I'm gonna be making vegan chocolate crackles. Now these are delicious and super simple to make because you can tailor it to your own likes and dislikes. Basically all they are is just a mix of different nuts, coconut oil and cacao powder all mixed together, chucked in the freezer to set, and then you have a little chocolate crackle. So yeah, that's really all they are, but I'm gonna put some fun music over it and show you how I make them now. Okay, so they are my vegan chocolate crackles. As you would have seen, they were super easy to make, and you could easily change out the walnuts and the almonds and the pistachios for any kind of nuts that you like. You could also try just adding like a normal granola, so feel free to use that as well. I'm gonna chuck these in the freezer now and let them set and wait very impatiently for them to be ready. Hi guys, it is Thursday night and I just finished a lower body workout. I've cooled down a little bit now, but I am really sweaty. I really enjoyed that workout actually. It was about 30 minutes and I burned about 300 calories. Average heart rate is about 160, so I'll have to show you that workout another time. But I thought I would take this opportunity to show you what my vegan chocolate crackles turned out like. So I'll show you that now. They're so yummy. I've already had so many already. Okay, so here are my vegan chocolate crackles. So obviously I've already eaten these, but I basically just keep them in the freezer in their little molds. You probably could just take them out and put them into different little containers. All you do is you just pretty much take a little chocolate out, and I keep them in the wrappers because of the coconut oil in it. It's a lot easier to eat. And yeah, they look super good. I'll take this one out. It's not like the most attractive treat, but I swear they are really good. And they're not super sweet either. They're kind of like a dark chocolate because I've used cacao powder, which can be quite bitter. And there's not really any natural sweeteners in there other than the dates. I love making healthy treats, so I really hope that you are enjoying trying out new things as well. But I'm just gonna have a shower and wipe all this sweat off me, and then I'm gonna have my turkey mince anchovy bao for dinner and watch The Bachelor. So wherever you are, I hope that you have a wonderful night, day, morning, whatever you're doing. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you know when I have new videos coming out. Make sure that you like it as well, because it'll really support my channel and let me know what kind of content you would like me to create more of. I am loving doing these videos. I've seriously found my passion. So if you like it, if you don't like it, I'm just gonna keep on doing them because it's giving me something that's making me really happy. I'm turning something that has made me really unhappy, my MS, into something that I can, share my passion for health and fitness and how I'm, yeah, how I'm going. So I'm sure that I'll see you on my next video. Bye.